Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hashfi Holder Ramadan. My number is 2024 32071. Here I want explain about practical project for the big data course. We'll be looking at how to build an automated web scraper in Python that handles pagination across multiple pages. Okay, step one is uh, initial setup. In this first cell, I importing three essential libraries. We have request to send HTTP demands to our target website, beautiful shop to parse and tear down the raw HTML structure, and pandas to format our final data into tables. Right below that, I've defined our base URL from a sandbox website called Books to Scrape. Notice how the URL cuts off right before the page number. That's because we're going to append the page numbers dynamically later on. I've also initial an empty list called result to hold our scrape data and set our starting point page num to 1. Right, now here is the core engine of our script and automated loop. Since we don't always know the exact number of pages beforehand, I use a while through loop to keep the process running infinitely until it reaches the very last page. Inside this loop, this script automatically format the URL for each specific page and fetches its connect. To prevent the program from crashing when it runs out of pages, I added a crucial safety net. If the server returns any HTTP status code other than 200, like 404 error, the loop instantly breaks and stops. And once a page loads successful, Beautiful Soup steps in to read the HTML text. I use find all to target to every single book element on the page, which are all conveniently tucked inside the article tag with the class product uh, underscore pod. Then we loop through each book to extract three specific details: the full book title, its price, and its stock availability. I made sure to extract the title attribute directly from the HTML core tag to so that long titles don't get cut off with trailing dots. Each book's data is compiled into a dictionary and append right into our master result. After extracting a page num, increase by 1 and the loop moves seamlessly to the next page. Okay, after that, after successful going through 50 page and collecting extra 1000 books, it's time to process the data. I convert our raw list into a structured pandas data frame. To add a professional touch to our report, I create a custom summary row called bodies underscore total that display the grand total of the collect item at the very bottom. I then merge everything together using pd.concat and reset the raw index. Finally, the script export the entire dataset into a single clean CSV file name, data underscore book underscore pagination underscore big data, leaving out the default pandas index numbers to make sure the file looks flawless when open in Excel. That's my explanation about the pagination. I'm sorry if I'm wrong. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.